Here's how to delete your watch history on Instagram. Now, if you're on Instagram on your iPhone or Android and you watch some videos and you want to go back and delete that entire history, we need to get to your settings to do so. So you're going to tap on your profile at the bottom right and the three lines at the top right. This is a brand new feature that Instagram is rolling out. So you might not have this feature yet if you haven't updated the Instagram app recently. I'll show you how to find it and basically walk you through the steps of updating it to get that latest version. From here, you're going to tap on your activity and at the bottom, tap on watch history. You'll be able to see all of the reels that you have watched and videos. If you don't see that as an option, you're just going to head into the Google Play Store or the App Store, and we're just going to search for Instagram on this list. If it says update right next to Instagram, you're going to go through the process of updating the app so that you get this option where you can delete the entire watch history if you wanted to delete out everything or just specific videos. Now let's go back in here to Instagram. You can see watch history. I can tap on it to rewatch any, but if I wanted to delete them, I'm going to tap on select at the top right and then select whichever ones I want to delete. Unfortunately, there's not a select all, but after I've selected them manually, I can hit remove, and now those will be deleted from my entire watch history.